Welcome back to my channel, Cynthia and Lesley Island Vibe. Today my grandson is here making mac and cheese with steak. Hope you all guys like it and give him a thumbs up. Thank you all so much for watching Cynthia and Lesley Island Vibe all over the world.
Good afternoon, chat. Welcome back to another video on Cynthia and Lesley Island Vibes. Today, we're gonna be making some baked mac and cheese, steak, and asparagus for my grandmother. If you didn't already, like, subscribe, comment down below what she should make next, and let's get right into it. First, we got the water in the pot boiling. I'm about to put the elbows, large elbows, in the pot. You know what I'm saying? Yeah. Then with the spoon, you know what I'm saying? Oh, we're gonna stir it. Stir it around. Make sure it don't stick in the pot. You know what I'm saying? And then we're gonna start on the steak. Right, so now we're gonna wash the steak with a slice of lemon. Gotta make sure you wash your hands. You know? Don't want to cook food with no dirty hands. It's a clean steak. Now, we're gonna season the steak with some Cajun seasoning, smoked paprika, garlic, black pepper, salt, and some buttered steak. Alright, so now we're gonna season the steak. We're gonna start off with Cajun seasoning. Gotta make sure it's flavorful. Smoked paprika. Garlic. Next, butter seasoning. Salt. I don't put too much because these seasonings already carry some salt. We don't put too much. Use black pepper. Then we're gonna hit it with some basil paste. You know, some green seasoning. Then we're gonna rub our hands. Rub it in. Now we're gonna check on the elbows. Make sure it's not sticking. Just get in there. Just get in there. Leave it for like a few minutes. Mac and cheese almost done. Steak, I'm gonna cut it up and I'm gonna get back to you guys in like a few minutes. Alright guys, I'm back. So mac and cheese is done, as you can see. And we got the cut up steak that I'm about to do in a few. But now we're gonna make the sauce for the mac and cheese. These are the ingredients I'm gonna be using: mozzarella cheese, sharp cheddar cheese, and some other type of cheese. I don't know. But yeah, salt, black pepper, Cajun seasoning, garlic, paprika, then carnation milk, butter, flour, and heavy cream, and Dijon mustard. Yeah. All right, let's get to it. All right, so now I'm gonna turn the stove. All right, there you go. Turn the stove, put it on 5. So now we're gonna get our butter, and we're gonna get our butter and take a teaspoon of that, put in the pot, another teaspoon, put in the pot, another teaspoon, put in the pot. Okay. Mix it in. We got seasoning. Cajun seasoning. Some paprika. Garlic. Salt. And some black pepper. Then I'm gonna take a squirt of Dijon mustard. And then into the wine. Some flour. Mix everything. Get that color. And so then I'm gonna take a carnation milk. Put a whole can of carnation milk. Stir. Put the pot on low because it's steam. The pot is mad hot. I'm gonna mix. Okay. And then we're gonna get our heavy cream. We're gonna put a cup. Right. Then we're gonna mix. Turn the stove up a little bit so it's cool out. I'm gonna come back when everything's done dissolving. So now we're gonna add our cheese. And then we're gonna save some for later so we can top it off. Mix. Alright, so now the cheese is done melting. We're gonna add our mac into the bowl. I'm gonna show you. So now the mac is fully coated in the sauce. So now we're gonna get our leftover cheese and we're gonna top it off so we can put it in the oven. Just make sure it's fully covered with cheese. Alright, so this is the final product of the mac and cheese. About to set the oven for 350. Let it preheat. Gonna let it sit here for about like 20 minutes, and then I'm gonna get back to you guys when it's done. Alright guys, the mac and cheese is done, as you can see. Check this out. Guys, the steak is done. Add me some veggies to go at the side. Then mac and cheese. Then we got a little fruit salad right here. Yeah. Alright guys, this is the final product. As you can see, mac and cheese, steak, and some veggies. So now, I'm gonna give it a taste test. Real good. And that's steak. Real good. Thank you guys for watching this video. If you did, make sure you like and subscribe and comment down below what my grandma should make next. And I'll catch y'all boys later. Peace.